What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are all having a great day. If you haven't already, please go down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you're probably wondering why the truck is like that. But for you guys that do follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you already know what's going on. But today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I polish my wheels on my truck. You guys know I'm running 24x14 American Force octane wheels, and they're a bit overdue on the polish. So today I'm gonna show you guys what I do and what I use to polish my wheels. Alright guys, so basically what I use is a polishing kit from Zephyr's Polish. It's their Super Shine X kit here, and everything you see here basically comes with the kit. It comes with your two cutting wheels, one polishing wheel, your 3 different rouges, some safety flanges for your pads, and it also comes with the Zephyr Pro 40 polish. Really good stuff. I use a basic Harbor Freight angle grinder. Does the job really good, as you can see. If you guys are gonna use one of these, make sure you get the one that has the spaced head on it like that right here. They have 2 models like this. One like this with the spaced head, and then they have another one where the shaft comes directly out of the head right here. And you can't use that one because the pad will rub. It'll rub against the shaft. So make sure you get that model right here. I don't have the model number on me, but you can tell the difference if you see them in the store. Once I do all that, I come back, final step, and I use a DA with a orange cutting pad with the Zephyr Pro 40 polish, and that'll give you this finish right here. This finish here is just these 2 wheels right here, and this one is those 2 wheels, that wheel, and the Zephyr Pro 40 polish. So I use a combination of different polishes, mainly this one. As you can probably see, this I have the white diamond here. I use that one sometimes, but this is my main go-to polish there. I bet anyone in the comments right now, you can't tell me which wheel is polished and which one's not. But I bet you can now. Big difference, right? I hate seeing, going to car shows, truck shows, and seeing people riding around with forged wheels, American Force, specialty forged, Hostile, Fuel, JTX, any of those forged brands. I hate going places and seeing people with them, and they're just filthy, dirty. Like, you spend that much money on something, you want to take care of it, right? To me, that's how my brain works. But I just hate seeing that. And I like, if you're gonna be out that, if you're gonna be that person, just to get forged wheels, just to brag and say I got forged wheels, and don't clean them, don't polish them or anything, like, what can you really brag about? Your wheel looks worse than a chrome rim. Like, come on guys, like, don't be that person. So you get a forged wheel, you want it to look like this, like, you want it to be clean. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to a truck show and I've seen forged wheels that look like this on trucks. Like what? Like, how dare you come to a truck show with a dirty forged wheel like that? At least, like, put something on them, try to polish them or something. Like, I see hard water spots on wheels on show trucks. Like, I daily drive my truck and I'm still polishing my wheels. Like, show trucks that people don't drive every day have dirty, unpolished wheels like that. Like, come on, man. Like, so don't be that person out there just thinking they're balling, running forged wheels and not polishing them. Please polish your wheels. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, but one of those wheels are polished, is polished, and one of them is not. You probably can see that one's a lot dirtier, duller than this one. Show you guys a dirty wheel, or unpolished wheel, not say dirty, but I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but you can see all the imperfections and water spots and all that in the wheel. Can't even see the reflection that well. And this is a polished one that I did, and you can just see the difference in that. No water spots or anything. You can see the reflection right there. So I'm gonna basically show you guys what to do on this wheel and get this wheel just like the other three by the end of this video. So let's get to it. All right, so this is gonna be our first step. You want to take your safety flanges, like put one there, just pat just like that with your bolt, and I tighten mine like this, hand tight. It's good enough. Alright guys, before I finish the first cut, I wanted to show you guys what you should be expecting it to look like. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you kind of see it kind of has a pattern like this. Lines going like that through the spoke. That's what you want to see. That's basically the wheel cutting through the surface of the wheel. Tell the difference on the first cut. Right about, I went halfway. See it right there? You really see the difference. This is the first cut, this is uncut. Alright guys, we got the first step done. As you can see, that first cut made a heck of a difference already. If I wanted to, I could just leave the wheel like this and it looked almost 100% better than it did before. But we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna go ahead, go to our second step. Our joker pad with the second stage rouge, and that's gonna basically remove all of these what look like scratches. It's gonna remove all that and really smoothen up the wheel. Then we'll come in with our last step and you'll have a mirror-like finish like those over there. So let's get it. Alright, so we just finished the second cut. I'm actually gonna skip the third cut with a polishing wheel and go straight to the DA and the Pro 40. I think that second pad removed a good bit of the scratches, and so I'm gonna go straight to that, the DA and the Pro 40, and I think it'll finish this wheel up for me. So we're gonna go straight to that, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. Alright, so I'm gonna give the Pro 40 a good shake. finally finished, guys. Got all 4 wheels looking pretty darn close to brand new. Definitely some work, but definitely worth it, I'd say. As you can see that. Last thing I gotta do is knock out these center caps. They're kind of looking a little dingy like that. See if it'll focus. And this is what they should all look like at the end when I'm finished. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go down below, hit that like button, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos that I'm uploading. Stay tuned for the video of me ceramic coating these wheels. That should be coming up next, so stay tuned for that, and hope everyone has a great night. Peace.